Hello everybody, welcome to another live stream right here on the blockchain today. Welcome. Let's give it a couple of moments till everybody can tune in. Give everybody an opportunity to join the live stream. Let's share it quickly over on Twitter. Let's go. Yeah, guys, so the plan of today, let's check how many people we got right now. We got 22 people. Awesome. Okay, so the plan of today, guys, is to have a look at all different altcoin charts and have a look at a lot of opportunities out there. You guys can provide me with charts where I'm going to have a look at. So that will be the planning of today. But before we are jumping into the charts, guys, like we do every single time, let's take 1 single minute, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. Then secondly, guys, we're first going to check from where everybody is tuning in. So drop in the chat right here, guys. From where are you tuning in? What is the time right now? Where you are. Like right now I'm in Indonesia. It's a Friday night. It's 10:15 right here, and it's gonna be my third video of the day, guys. I had such a busy day. This morning I made a update, right? A technical analyzer update. In the midday I made a short video for you guys talking about that the Satoshi ticker right now is over on CoinMarketCap. We can have a talk about that as well in a bit. And right now we are going live to check the rest of the charts, which we can do. So let's have a look in the live chat. What's going on? We got some people from Holland right here. It's going awesome, and it's really going awesome. If I'm uploading a lot, guys, it's going good. What's your opinion to Theta? We can have a look at the chart in a bit. Looking at Link, we got Amsterdam in the house, Austria, Dutch people, Manchester, England, New Jersey, Serbia, wow, Belgium, Turkey. Guys, we got a very global community here. I love it. I just love it. Hello, Incredibros. Hello, guys. Hello, everybody. So how you guys all doing? You guys doing great? You guys making some sick profits in the recent weeks? I better hope so. You guys making some nice profits right here. Cardano just breaking out in the US dollar comparative. We have been trading Cardano really awesome in the US dollar comparative and Bitcoin comparative. But as you guys know, most of the time I'm more interested in the Bitcoin comparative. Love your content, made so much money with you. Oh, Thomas, that's awesome to hear, guys. That's awesome to hear. That's my goal here. My goal is here to help everybody make the right decisions in the bull markets, become financially free. That's also where I get my energy from. You know, that is really important for me too, that everybody is succeeding. In hospital. Oh, that's not good. We got people from India in the house, Bangladesh, South Africa. Wow, guys, this is awesome. This is really awesome. So, guys, this midday I made a nice video about the Satoshi ticker over on CoinMarketCap, right? So let's have a quick talk about that before we are jumping into the chart. So what CoinMarketCap basically did is they add the Satoshi ticker right here to the list, so you can see the value of one Satoshi. And this is the world. This is actually a little part of the transition, what you are seeing right now. This is where we are going in the future. We are going to see this more and more often. People are going to talk more about sats, Satoshis. I know we do it already when trading altcoins, right? When you're trading low cap altcoins or cheap altcoins with a low price, we also always calculate them in Satoshis. But yeah, right now, the next step in crypto, right? If Bitcoin really is getting further adopted, the price continues to increase. The majority of the people, guys, that's a reality, are not able to own one single Bitcoin. It's just a lot of wealth you need for one single Bitcoin. And it's very difficult for the new generation, guys, because if you are not invested in the stock market, if you don't have any assets and you live paycheck to paycheck, it's very difficult to accumulate wealth. So that's also why they say like the richer are getting richer, the poorer are getting poorer. That's like kind of how it works, because if you live paycheck to paycheck, it's very difficult to save, and eventually you are a little bit depending on the fiat system. The fiat system is inflating, it's losing value, so it's not the best position. While if you are in assets, it's the other way around. While actually doing nothing, your the value of your assets are increasing. But this is what we are going to see with Bitcoin too. Later, guys. Right now we still talk about Bitcoin, but I think in a couple of years from now, the majority will really start. Majority will talk about sats and satoshis. We will calculate things in satoshis and not back into Bitcoin. So, guys, what's going on in the chat? Yes, thanks to Link and Ada. Okay, awesome, guys. Wi-Fi prediction, we can have a look at that. Altcoin pump hunting. Yes, guys, we are hunting these pumps in altcoins, hitting Bitcoin. How much do you think about Luna? Okay, guys, we can have a look at all of these charts, okay? Let's have a look at all of these charts. Before we are jumping into the charts, those guys, I want to ask you one favor, and that is to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then, yeah, let's start off with right here. This is ADA in the US dollar comparative. We had a nice consolidation. I've been talking about this quite often on the channel, and not too often as all the other altcoins, but right there we have seen in the previous lives, I also talked about it, we are trading in a sideways range, and I expect a breakout to the upside, especially when we break the declining resistance over on the RSI, right? We have a declining resistance right here. Here we had a small little fake out, but here we saw a nice breakout, and that already showed us that the momentum is going to the upside. Actually, we already saw the breakout in the RSI before we did in the price. This is actually a signal that I'm using quite often. Right now we are trading at $1.70, and yeah, I also updated this trade right here in the memo section on the blockchaintoday.com, and the first target is slightly below $2 US, approximately at 190, 95, 94, approximately around these levels. I think at $2 US there might be some profit taking, right? If we break above $2 US, then yeah, definitely a nice continuation is expected right here in Cardano in the Bitcoin comparative, Cardano in the US dollar comparative. Let's have a look at what's going on with Bitcoin in the US dollar comparative. I got so much drawings right here, guys. It's getting quite confusing, right? So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I think it's not that confusing because I've made the drawings, right? They are actually looking quite clear to me. But yeah, Bitcoin right now is just actually getting squeezed, and we might even see a big breakout quite soon. So we have this declining resistance of this declining channel right here, and we got some horizontal support levels which are being tested, right? We had this level right here. We can have a look if that also aligns with Fibonacci retracement levels right here. Let's have a look. Does it align? Yeah, kind of. The 23.60% does align if we calculate it from this low, not from the wick. So that's interesting. But what we are seeing right now is that the price is getting squeezed between the resistance right here and the support right here. And if we were to break the support, then yeah, we are doing actually the expected, right? Continue trading in the market structure we are in. However, if we break the resistance, we might change the market structure and Bitcoin might have a very bullish outlook. But to break above the upside, guys, to really start that rally, we have to do two other things, and this is something I've mentioned in the channel before, and that is we really have to break above the momentum resistance right here on the daily time frame, the declining momentum resistance on the RSI, but also in the MACD we are actually seeing something similar, where we also have a declining resistance right here. And yeah, for Bitcoin really to get more bullish momentum, we need to break the resistance in the price, but we also need to break the resistance in the RSI. So that is something that I'm watching right here. And yeah, as far as we are not broke out to the upside, I expect Bitcoin to continue in this descending channel. But as you can see right here on the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing we are seeing Bitcoin getting squeezed between these levels, between a horizontal support and a declining resistance. So we most likely going to see a breakout from here in the next couple of days, guys. So that is going to be quite interesting. Then, guys, I quickly want to have a look at EOS in the Bitcoin comparative, because this one we have been trading actually quite good. let's zoom out here a little bit on the daily time frame. And this is one of the trades, guys, I've been making also over on the member section, and we actually catch this trade quite early. These were the accumulation zones right here, and this was the breakout zone. So you can trade it in two ways, right? You can trade or right here accumulate in the accumulation zone, or you can choose another option, which is you trade the breakout right here. You long at the breakout. And this was actually a very nice pattern because we had a nice capitulation against the Bitcoin comparative. We had a huge drop. We formed a Adam and Eve structure in the end with a bullish divergence. As you can see, lower low in the price, higher low in the RSI. And eventually we had a multi-year long declining resistance. We broke out the upside and we actually met the exact target right here, and right now after the exact target is met, we are seeing a reversal. I think the target was slightly a couple of satoshis above the actual level that we met, but this was quite accurate, guys. So this was a super nice trade. I was very happy with that, and we made approximately 120, slightly more than 120% on this trade in the Bitcoin comparative, guys. So you can imagine how much that actually is. If you would exchange if you would have entered this trade with 1 Bitcoin, you would have doubled that Bitcoin. So you would have more than 1 Bitcoin profit after you took profit right here. So that's actually quite powerful to trade these altcoins in a altcoin season. Well, you don't even have to trade with leverage. You can just trade on the spot market and get exposure to these huge gains that we are seeing. Then, guys, let me check what's going on in the chat. Let's have a look. So there's not much going on in the chat. I see. What's your opinion on TEL? 1 inch we could have a look at. Luna we can have a look at too. How many people are right now in the stream? I'm quite curious about that. We got 46 people right now in the stream. And I get a warning that the quality is not that good. So guys, can you confirm to me if the quality is good right here, or if the quality is less good? So it would be awesome if somebody, if some people can confirm right if the quality is good. Somebody asked here right here, how can I become a member? Well, you can become a member by going to the blockchaintoday.com, and there you have a section, it's called member in the menu, and if you click on that, you can become a member. Quality is fine, it's okay. Okay, for me, it's beautiful, it's good, quality is fine. Okay, the quality is fine, but yeah, sometimes YouTube gives these warnings, and if I get these warnings, then YouTube is not that eager to push this video to as much people as possible. That's why we need to have a good quality, and it's very, very important, guys, that everybody who's tuning into this live stream also drops a like right here, so that the majority right here is leaving a like. That's very important for YouTube to push this video to a bigger audience, and we will get more energy in the live stream. So that would be amazing if everybody could do that. Then we go to the next then we go to the next chart. Let's do that. Will Bitcoin have correction today? Well, it's difficult question, but like we just said, we are squeezing into a support and resistance, and most likely see a breakout in the next couple of days. Yes, it's a monthly subscription, Chris. It is. Yes. So okay, guys, let's start off with some altcoins, right? So we first had a look at guys, listen to Saint Sinner, smash the like button, people. Awesome. So let's have a look at Luna. Wait, let's start with Link. Link was actually an awesome trade. We have been preparing for Link so often. I was actually at some moment just like, wow, when is Link gonna pump? You know, like it's taking so long, because we were already positioned in Link right here. This was the accumulation zone. So here we accumulated Link, And right here we also like had this position open, right, just waiting. I've made a lot of videos, guys, right here, just saying like, okay, we are going to break out sooner or later, but yeah, not right now. Same as with Ethereum, you know, sometimes you just know that things are looking bullish, because right here we just have a bullish structure, because we've left the bearish structure right here. So that means that we are in a different market structure, and we didn't broke back into the channel. So that shows us that right here a lot of people, because the volume was increasing as well. Let me show you that with the volume indicator. You can see that the moment we broke back above, the moment we broke out of this descending channel, the volume started to increase while price moving sideways. This is a bullish sign, guys. This is showing us that more and more Chainlink is being traded at these levels. And I actually even, and I got quite some dislikes on this video, but I made a video right here, guys, in this small rally. I made a video right here approximately like that. Right now we are going to see most likely Chainlink going to take off, and in hindsight I didn't know for sure back then, because yeah, you can never be sure. So I'm also taking a dive in the deep with showing that in my video, right? But here, guys, I was really convinced like, yeah, okay, right now we are just going to take off, and in hindsight it was the exact moment actually. So that was a good call. That was a really good call. The target, guys, the target which I had for this pump to the upside was also a very nice call at the 61.80%. We slightly below. We got a rejection. We got selling pressure from there. So that was, yes, that is also what I'm trying to do here on the channel. Like we cannot take all the trades, right? We cannot take every single trade. There are a lot of altcoins going to pump. I've missed out on a lot of coins, guys. I missed out on the Dogecoin pump. I haven't traded any Doge. I missed out on Ethereum Classic as well. For sure there are more altcoins which have been pumping, and I haven't been trading them, you know, and that's fine. That's completely fine, because the ones that I'm trading like very, very good, and I made a lot of profit with the ones that I'm trading. And that's also a little bit my trading style. I don't like to catch every opportunity out there. I really like to catch a couple of opportunities, might be even a couple of opportunities per 6 months or per period, right? Doesn't have to be a trade every single day, but when I take those opportunities, I make significant gains. So normally, if I take this trade, for example, where I almost doubled my Bitcoin, well, I used this trade, actually a big chunk of my portfolio, so I just doubled a big chunk of my Bitcoin portfolio with this trade. And of course, I'm taking a bigger chunk from my portfolio right here in Chainlink than, for example, I would do in Band or in these lower cap altcoins, right? The lower the market cap, the lower the risk you actually want to take. So the less money, the less percentage part of your portfolio you actually want to put in. But yeah, these trades were actually quite certain, because things are just aligning quite nice. Yeah, we have been talking so much about Chainlink, but actually looking good. So what do I expect to happen in the near future? Well, we are going to retrace right here. We are going to see a retracement, and eventually I expect a continuation of this uptrend. And while we're retracing right here, people are going to take profits into different altcoins, smaller cap altcoins, which are going to follow Chainlink. So that's normally, guys, what we see. We are seeing Bitcoin rallying first, which we have seen. Afterwards, Ethereum follows. Quickly after Ethereum, Chainlink follows. And yeah, after that, we are seeing the small caps following. So yeah, so right now I expect as well, like in the coming weeks, if we're not seeing crazy stuff happening with Bitcoin, if Bitcoin continues to move sideways and liquidity continues to flow to altcoins, I expect the lower cap altcoins to perform better. Lower caps, yeah, like middle caps, lower caps, not like top 10, 20, although they could also perform quite good. So guys, what's going on in the chat? Yo, Anna, welcome. Nice to have you here. BNB, please. We can do that. We can't be on every alt. That's okay. Yes, you're right, Cincinnati. That's true. That's also what I'm trying. I'm not trying to catch every trade out there. And I definitely don't feel any regrets if I miss something, because I know that the markets will always present enough opportunities to make life-changing money every single year. Please smash the like button for his work and his calls. Jeroen deserves it. Give strength. Well, awesome. Awesome, Saint Sinner. Thank you for your support, man. Really appreciate it. Okay, BTT. Want to have a look at BTT? Let's do that. Let's go to BTT. And let's start off with BTT in the US. That's the BitTorrent token. So wow, yeah, I actually have been analyzing BitTorrent. It's looking very, very bullish. It's looking good. We formed a higher low right here in the price, right? We formed a higher low, and in the chart, in the RSI, the momentum indicator, we formed a lower low. This is called a hidden bullish divergence, showing us that there's bullish momentum right here in this chart. And I have been analyzing this, I guess in my previous live, and I've been drawing this descending channel. And yeah, I said that most likely we're going to break out to the upside, which we did. We see nice increase of volume. So this breakout is just looking quite good. We are going to see a continued increase right here. Let me tell you the target of this flag pattern right here. That is the width of the pole, put at the point of breakout right there. So the target of this specific pattern would be at approximately 0.015 cents US dollar. But this is actually looking quite good. Yeah, the best thing would be if you would catch the breakout. So if you would open a long position right here the moment we break out, that would be good. But yeah, the breakout itself look healthy. We have a nice breakout. We see a reaction in the price. We see increased amounts of volume. We have a hidden divergence in the RSI. So that is all looking quite good. Let's have a look at this altcoin in the Bitcoin comparative. Probably also looking good because Bitcoin is moving sideways, and when it's breaking out to the upside, then it's yeah, looking quite good. So as expected, we are seeing something nice, right? We have a nice triangle formation right here, kind of descending triangle formation, right? And yeah, we broke the resistance right now, increased amounts of volume. We also see it right here that the RSI retraced nicely to the lows of right here, while on the price we actually set a higher low. That is a bullish sign. Something to take in mind is that we could be trading in a sideways range still right here, where we actually still consolidate. I don't think that's the case. I think BTT wants to continue this uptrend, especially because the US dollar comparative is looking bullish as well. So this chart is looking quite good. So right now, if you would enter right now, of course you don't have the perfect entry because you didn't catch at the breakout, but looks like this wants to wants to continue to increase. Let's have a look at CoinMarketCap. What how big of an altcoin this is, the BTT. Let's have a look. BTT, BitTorrent token. So how's the connection, guys? I hope the connection is good. How many people we have in the stream right now? We got 105 people, guys. That is awesome. The stream is warming up right now. I feel it. Awesome, guys. Type something in the chat. Drop a like down below. That's very important. Let's get 50 likes right here, guys. It's really important to get as much likes as possible so we can share our valuable knowledge with the world out there. And the more likes we get, the more YouTube will push this video to a bigger audience. So that's very important always, guys. Make sure to drop a like down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then let's have a look at BitTorrent. This is sort of rank 31 in the CoinMarketCap, so it's not really a small cap altcoin, right? It's a market cap of $5.5 billion US dollars. So yeah, this is actually quite a good bet. Actually, chart is looking quite bullish in the Bitcoin comparative. Okay, guys, let's go to the next chart. Okay, we got BNB token. Okay, let's go to Theta. Let's go to Theta because I got a lot of Theta questions right here, and I haven't looked at Theta quite a long time. But let's start off with the US dollar comparative. Let's go to Theta and the US dollar comparative, and wow, this is looking very interesting. To be honest, wow, this is looking quite interesting. Okay, so we already have seen a nice rally, just like all the other altcoins did. We have a nice hidden bullish divergence, right? Higher low in the price, lower low in the RSI. There's always something you want to see, that the RSI retraces farther than the price, because that means that the bullish momentum is resetting, and that that there is new space for more bullish momentum once we are seeing a breakout. So the price structure is a little bit ugly, right? With the descending channel, breakout to the upside, fake out eventually. Right now we are moving kind of sideways, so this is not looking all too beautiful. Difficult to analyze, let's say it like that, but we can make a sideways range from here. I think that would be the more safer bet to say right here. If we have a look at the structure, that we make a sideways range right here, where approximately the resistance is at $14 and the support at approximately $10, give or take $10. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin comparative, what we are seeing right there. How does this look? Well, that's actually looks a little bit better than the US dollar comparative. So we have kind of a bull flag formation right here, a nice one on the daily time frame. And yeah, it looks like Theta right now at this specific moment wants to break out. We see the same thing going on in the RSI. If I just quickly draw a line right here, yeah, kind of, it looks like we break a resistance on the RSI as well. So this is looking quite good, guys. It looks like Theta just right here at this specific moment is trying to break out. The target of this pattern would be, and this would be, guys, this would be the bigger target, right? So you can take the pole right here. You can also take the pole right here. So let's just take the bigger pole. Put it at the point of the other point of the flag. There will be a target of approximately 37,000 satoshis. I think that's definitely doable if we are going to continue this uptrend. That is, I think it's definitely possible for Theta to see something like this. Yes, we could. There's also enough space in the momentum to reach that. So I think that is looking quite interesting, guys. Let's have a look at Theta on CoinMarketCap. We're on which rank it's right now. Let me, in the meantime, go to the chat. Cool, we got local guy, great analysis. Luna, don't forget Luna, please. Okay, we will have a look at Luna after Theta. We can do that. Can I jump into BTT long right now? Yeah, you can do, but like I said, you don't have the perfect entry because we already seen the breakout. But yeah, it's looking bullish, right? Okay, Theta is ranked number 17, market cap of 12 billion. So yeah, it's definitely one of the established altcoins. Okay, guys. First of all, we can ICX going bananas. Okay, we can have a look at that. I'm quite curious. Let's quickly have a look at how that looks. ICX going bananas. Oh, joking, guys. ICX USD. I don't see any banana yet, but yeah, we might be on the verge of a breakout right here. That's quite interesting. But before looking at this chart, I promised to have a look at Luna, so I cannot. Let's first have a look at Luna. But this icon is actually looking quite good, to be honest. Okay, Luna and the US dollar comparative. RSI wise look quite good, right? Here we have the same thing, price moving sideways range, RSI is going down. That normally a lot of people interpret that as a bearish sign because it's a bearish divergence, kind of, right, where the price moving up sideways and the RSI is going down. However, guys, in a bull market, it doesn't have to be bearish. It's actually a bullish sign. So as long as we are holding this sideways range, Luna is looking good. And I think we are going to break out to the upside and continue this uptrend. So in that way, I think Luna is looking good right here. What do we have in the Bitcoin comparative? It's a little bit bigger range right here, but we could be forming something which is not really confirmed yet. A little bit too early to say. Maybe a triangle formation right here. We could also be forming. It's a little bit difficult to say right here. Right now, we could also forming something like this. So a descending channel or a triangle formation. This descending channel actually look quite good because the middle of the channel is being respected, is being held as support. Once we break below, the middle of the channel is being held resistance, and once we break above it, we see a direct pump to the resistance. Right now, the middle is holding support, so it looks like, most likely we will be consolidating right here and eventually break out to the upside. Do take in mind, we already have seen a major rally, Luna and the Bitcoin comparative, so there are definitely right now better opportunities to buy. But if you want to accumulate Luna in the Bitcoin comparative, if you're really bullish on this coin, then I'm going to show you the exact entry. What you can do right here is, as long as we are not breaking out to the downside, you should be buying at these levels. And first of all, you have to check, of course, right? We go down. If we come down right here, you can have your entry right there. And if it turns out to be a triangle formation, you had a nice entry at the support. And if it comes down right here, you can always set your entry at the bottom of these of this descending channel. So that is something to watch, guys. Then let's go to ICX again. Let's have a look from the tip, the secret tip we just got. Let's go to ICX US dollar. First, so this is my take on Luna. Right now, when we have a look at ICX, we form a ascending triangle. Guys, ascending triangle is a horizontal resistance, uptrending support, and the likelihood of an ascending triangle, or the bias of an ascending triangle, is breaking out to the upside. So this is looking, this just looks like a continuation pattern. Uptrend, ascending triangle, most likely continuation to the upside. The, what is it? The target of a ascending triangle, width of the triangle put at the point of breakout is approximately $4.5 US ICX in the US dollar comparator. So this is looking good. Looks like we can break out in the next coming days, next coming weeks. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin comparative. Let's do that. Looks like in Bitcoin comparative, we already see a kind of breakout. We have a horizontal resistance right here. And yeah, we break above that. If that level flips support, that would be great. That would be quite bullish. If we see a nice decisive break, this level is being tested, flip support, and then yeah, most likely we can continue this uptrend. So that is looking quite good, guys. Okay, guys, back to the chat. What's going on? Wait, before I'm going back to the chat, how many people are right now in the stream? Let's check. We got 158 people. Guys, we don't even have 50 likes. Come on. Let's get with every single one of us. Scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, guys. That is so much appreciated, guys. It would be awesome if we could reach 75 likes right here in the near future. That would be really awesome. That would be really great, guys. Let's check if we can do that. And for every single one of you who hasn't subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then yeah, guys, let's go back to the to the chat right here. Thank you, Jeroen. You're welcome. You're welcome. Eve struggling around 3,500. Will break up or down. Well, it's a difficult one. We can have a look at that in a bit. What about OMG? Yeah, we can have a look at that in a bit as well. Hi, you are a great man. Well, thank you, Amir. Thank you, Amir. Very much appreciated, guys. Very much appreciated, guys. Let's have a look again. From where everybody's tuning in. Right now, we have some more people in the chat. Yeah, let's have a check from where everybody's tuning in. We got some people from Holland. Will everybody from Holland share the place of the city from where you are tuning in? I'm quite curious from that. And for every single one of you who's not in Holland, share the country or city where you're in and what time it is. What time it is there right now. Right now it's in Indonesia. Right here in Bali, it's like almost 11 o'clock. So we got Malaysia, we got Afghanistan, Amsterdam. I love Amsterdam. Amsterdam is really great. For Australia, we got right here Iowa. We got United Kingdom, Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur I also love. I've been so many times in Kuala Lumpur. I used to have to leave the country right here every 2 months, and I would mainly go to Kuala Lumpur always. I used to have one good friend there, and we were always like strolling down in the city. It was quite nice eating, what's it called? Chapati? Roti canai, I think. Roti canai, this bread with this curry dips, really awesome. India, Belgium, Eindhoven. Eindhoven is a great city as well. Norway is awesome too. I've been quite often to Norway, yeah, quite often to Oslo. It's very grey, but it's really I really love the atmosphere there. Okay, we got Latvia, Riga. Oh, this is a place I've never been. I actually wanted to go there. Houten, I know this place. Brighton, Hoofddorp. We got Denmark, USA, California, Illinois. Wow, it's funny how it's such a different time everywhere. Surabaya, Indonesia. Wow, that's really nice. Roti canai, yeah, I knew it. It's called roti canai. Yes, yes. It's really delicious. And for everyone who doesn't know it, you should Google roti canai. Wait. Let's have a look at it. Roti canai. This is what you eat in Malaysia, right? Yes, this one, exactly. You get like this. Yeah, my girlfriend always calls it like an Indian pancake, but it's not. It's not really a pancake. I think it's fried bread, so might like in the category of a pancake. Then you have like a curry, but sometimes you have like multiple dips right here. It's really great, man. It's really tasting good. That's also one of the things that I really like about Southeast Asia. Is the kitchen right here is so different than for example, the Dutch kitchen. You know, like right here, every day I'm eating like this morning I had like fresh grilled fish. The midday I had rice with a lot of vegetables. In the evening I had rice and vegetables as well. Yeah, in Holland we got broodje frikandel, exactly. Now in Holland we always have these snack bars, and for the ones that don't know it, it's like these shops where you can buy fries and you can buy fried snacks. So you have like fried snacks where like this one is quite funny. I talked about it with my girlfriend the other day. It's called a bami schijf, and you have like these noodles in this in this dough kind of thing, and this is deep fried, and you eat this with mayonnaise or something. You know, it's actually it's quite delicious. It's not that healthy, but it's quite funny. This is something we eat in Holland, right, guys from Holland? Can you back that up? You guys ordering this as well? Chapati, yeah. What is the roti chapati? Yeah, okay. This looks kind of like roti canai, right? Like you have like this fried bread with this curry dips. Sometimes indeed some chicken or beef in these dips. Yeah, it's quite good. It's really good. Well, what I eat often right here in Bali is called nasi campur, and it means mix, nasi mix, and that you have like white rice, and next to you have like tempeh, you have like eggplant, often you have like fried corn, spinach. It's really delicious, guys. I love the variety always, because I can just order rice. I get like 5 or 6 of these side dishes, right? And you have like a very variety in your meal, because every time you just take different things next to your rice. So that's actually quite good. That's actually really great. So guys, share with what is something that like some food from your country which is really awesome and which you actually shouldn't miss at all. Yes, this one is really awesome. Patatje oorlog. It's actually it's fried fries, so fried potato with peanut sauce, mayonnaise and onion. Guys, let me show you for the ones that don't know it. It's super good. It's actually really awesome. It might not look that good. Right here you can see it. So you have like French fries, like fried fries, and you have a topping with peanut sauce, mayonnaise and onion. It's really good. Like this we always eat. Like normally when you go out in Holland afterwards, you can eat something like this. It's delicious. Even though it maybe not look like delicious, it is really delicious. I'm sure you guys definitely would love it. Bali food breaking out, yeah, breaking out from the other side. Cardano predictions, yeah. Let's kebab. Yes, it's really Dutch. Yes. Okay, guys. A little bit off topic. Nice to talk about food. Let's go back in the charts, guys. Let's have a look at all the food tokens, right? Bake and cake and nah, joking. Okay, so wait, let me go back to the chat first. Which charts you guys want to have a look at? Please drop them below in the chat. Then I have a look. Like how many people left the stream because we were talking about food. So we have a couple of people who left the stream. So, but guys, everybody who just tuned in, just make sure you scroll below this video. You hit the thumbs up button, guys. It's really helping out with reaching a bigger audience right here in this live stream. So, okay, guys, I go back to the chat right here and let's do some TA on some of the recommendations right here. Okay, Thomas asking for Litecoin already a couple of times. So let's listen to Thomas first. Let's go to Litecoin. Let's go to Litecoin US dollar comparative right here. Let's start with that. Yeah, so Litecoin US dollar comparative is just looking quite good. I think it's always a little bit tricky in the US dollar comparative because you always want to have that it outperforms Bitcoin, otherwise it doesn't make sense to be in here. But right now actually we are at an important moment right here for Litecoin. We're testing previous all-time high at approximately $355 US, right? You can see it is the previous all-time high right here in 2017. So this is quite interesting. It makes sense to first get a rejection right here before we are breaking to it. However, guys, it also makes sense if we break above this level, then that is definitely very bullish for Litecoin and shows that we are going into price discovery, right? Which means that we can actually, we also saw it with Ethereum, we see it with Bitcoin. The moment we break previous all-time high, normally that is a bullish sign, and if we break it decisively, we can, most of the time, it's being followed by a accelerated rally to the upside. And I would expect the same right here. So if we were to break above the all-time high, and we might not break right now in one take, because the RSI is also already high, we might go like something like this, where we like have a second test, and then we break above it. I think that will be more likely right here. Can be quite soon though, but yeah, once we break that all-time high, that would be quite bullish. That would be a decisive break, like give or take, let's say give or take 370, 375. Let's go to Litecoin in the Bitcoin comparative. Let's do that. Yeah, and that one we have been, I have been mentioning on the channel actually quite early on, very early on. And I don't know if you guys remember that, but I've been calling out Litecoin actually right here. The moment we have seen those first green candles right here due to this bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, because the last time we have seen that bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, I even know the increase. We had an increase of 168%, 173, okay, slightly above depending. So approximately 170% rally after this bullish divergence. This one is even more massive. As you can see, volume is coming in. Bam, we can actually see a nice increase right here. Yeah, definitely, guys. This is just it looks like that this is just the start right here. We broke a important resistance level as well. The moment we broke above that, increase in volume, reaction in the price, all very nice. So this is looking quite good, guys. Litecoin in the Bitcoin comparative, I'm quite bullish when I'm seeing these charts. However, guys, you also have to take in mind, and that's also what I said in today's video, right? That the majority, like you see here from 2014, yeah, Litecoin is not really outperforming Bitcoin, okay? You have like periods, and that is this period, for example, this period, maybe, not all periods, this period, these periods, Litecoin is outperforming Bitcoin, and you want to be positioned in Litecoin when we are in these periods. But outside of these periods, sorry guys, you don't want to be in Litecoin, and that is guys, and most of you guys, they don't need to hear this. Probably you already know it. You guys following me already for some time, but the people who are just following me, who are not that long in the space, guys, you should not marry these projects, because in the end, they will bleed in the Bitcoin comparative. In the longer term time frame, you don't want to be positioned in altcoins. Like you just don't want to be positioned, because if you have a look at how bad actually this altcoin behaves in the Bitcoin comparative, the majority of the times we are just seeing it bleeding, right? So the majority of the time, you don't want to have Litecoin in your portfolio. You just want to have it in your portfolio the moment we are being undervalued, and in these periods when we are seeing this uptrend. That is the moment when you want to have Litecoin or any other altcoin in your portfolio. And if we are not in this parabolic uptrend or in this nice uptrend in an altcoin season, then you better want to get rid of your altcoin bags, because how nice the project also is, how good the fundamentals are, guys. These markets are based on hype and emotion. This is not based on fundamentals. Bitcoin is based on fundamentals, but all the other projects out there, guys, most projects are not based on fundamentals. That's very important to realize. They are all based on emotions and hype. People want to make profit. and it's not rational investors behavior. It's not a uptrend like this, yeah, where you have multi-year long uptrend, a slow and steady healthy uptrend. No, it's not working like this. You have like crazy price action. It's very emotional. It's not rational. And most of these coins are fundamentally also not good. You have thousands of coins at CoinMarketCap, and a lot of people they really fall in love, and that's also the danger. They fall in love, and love again is an emotion, right? You fall in love with the story behind the project. Yeah, but this project can send transactions without fees. Okay, it's possible, it's a nice future, but it's not something we are going to use. And even though we are going to use it, next month there can be another project who even pays you for your transaction. Just speaking terms, right? There will always be a better altcoin, but this is not the case with Bitcoin, right? There will always be a better altcoin coming up in the next months, and we actually made something nice with one of the that was actually quite funny. Let's have a look at that way back machine, guys. This is quite interesting. This is going to be funny to do this live with you guys. I don't know how long you guys are in it already. Right here, let me go to the BLX chart. Let's have a talk about that, guys. This might be one of the most important things right now we could do, actually. So let's do that instead of this TA right now. Let's have a talk. Wait, I'm just making green dots right here. Let's have a talk about since when are you in the crypto space. So let me just get rid of all the drunks. So I got introduced in the crypto space right here in November, like right here in 2015. I started to look into Bitcoin, but nothing serious, man. I was not really investing. I bought a little bit Bitcoin. I used that for ordering food online, so it was not that significant. But right here in 2016, this is where I really started to get serious. And there was one moment, guys, where I just went, the first day I got introduced with crypto, bam, I just went all in. And every single day afterward, every single day right here was busy with crypto, reading white papers, reading the charts, watching content, reading books about trading. Since 2016, I actually been full time in crypto. I just dropped everything at this specific moment and just went all in, and only busy with crypto. But I'm very curious about you guys. Since when are you in crypto? So drop the year. Since when you are in crypto, drop the year right here in the chat so we can have a quick talk about that. That's going to be quite interesting because, sorry to say, guys, but the people who have the most experience right here, so most likely the people who joined the soonest, they will be the most profitable right here in this, or they will at least make the better decisions, are more likely to make the better decisions right here in the future, because a lot of stuff happened right here which we all have been gone through, also right here in the bear market. But if you haven't gone through those cycles, those emotional stages, then this bull market is going to be very difficult. So you want to learn from people, you really want to learn from people who has been going through these stages, through the cycle before. It's really important, guys. So, okay, we got somebody right here. 3 weeks. Where are you from? I'm from Holland. Okay, we got somebody from 2018. Okay, that is nice. You most likely know already quite some things, right? You know the deal. We got somebody 3 weeks. Okay, that's quite new. That's really new to the space. March 2017. Okay, guys. Next to sharing from which year you are in crypto, also share one of the most important things that you have learned. I think this can really help each other out. Let's make this a conversation. Maybe we can help the people who just recently entered, like right here November 2020, March, and we can help them out with some insights that might be very important. We might save some lives right here, guys. Now, what I've learned, one of the things that I've learned, guys, is that the narrative in the news is very, very misleading, and you should not listen to it. Like right here, exactly at the top, everybody, including me, we were expecting, yeah, Bitcoin is just going to 100,000. No, it's not working like that. It's not working like that. We are reaching the end of a emotional stage. This is the euphoric stage, and we are basically stopping right there. But the funny part is what I want to say right here is that the majority of the people, and it's really hard to imagine right now. It's really difficult to imagine right now. Same in the in some world war or crazy moments in the world, the majority of the people were wrong. Back in the days when these cigarettes came out, right? When doctors were recommending cigarettes to pregnant women, saying that it is healthy. It's not true, of course. In hindsight, we can say like, yeah, of course, it's not true. But in that moment, it was quite convincing. The majority of the people is often right. And right here, everybody just thought we are going to continue this uptrend, which not. So, and right here, guys, right here at the bottom is the exact opposite. The majority right here was super bearish on Bitcoin and thought like, yeah, we are not going to see anything. It's going to take a very long time, or we might going to see 1,000K. We might going to see $800 Bitcoin again, you know. That's how the markets work. So even though we can see it in the chart, right? People are not rational. People in the top, they buy at the top and they sell at the bottom because it's because of emotions. It's because of emotions. Take profits. Okay, guys, this is also left hook from hell. Thank you for sharing this, because this is actually quite interesting. Take profits is super, super important, even though later on you can be like, oh yeah, I could have taken more profits. Yeah, of course you can. It really depends on your situation as well. Like, let's say you are quite a wealthy man. You have like 30% of your money in the stock market, 30% in real estate, and you have like 10%, like a couple percent in cash, and you have like 10% in crypto, right? Then it's not that necessary for you to take that much profit, right? Crypto is a hedge against all the other investments that you have. So that's still okay. But if you, like me, 100% invested in crypto, you definitely want to take profits. I didn't took much profits right here, guys. I remember I took some profits. I bought some expensive stuff, but way not enough. I've seen most of my capital, bam, going down the drain right here in this bear market, which was a very nice learning process for me. And I had the privilege. I see it as a privilege that I saw the value of Bitcoin. So I've held through this whole bear market, but in this bear market, literally all the money that I gained, everything that I gained went into Bitcoin. Every penny that I got right here, I even, at this moment right here, at approximately like these levels, I even sold my car back in Holland and put that money into Bitcoin. And I remember some friends of me like were a little bit like, dude, what is Jeroen doing? It's not that healthy that he's literally pouring everything. He's even selling his car. And back then I felt a little bit like an idiot as well, but I knew there was going to be one point in time where I'm going to thank my past self for making the decision. Right now, I definitely thank my past self. For that money, I can buy a crazy car right now. Not that I'm interested in that, but yeah, of course that's possible. So I'm happy with that decision. But that's something along the way you want to take profits. You really want to take profits. And like I said, depending on your situation, what do you want to do with your life? What is your age? What is the rest of your investment? But if you are like me, 100% in crypto, take profits, spread your eggs in different baskets. That is very, very important. FOMO is not good. Definitely, FOMO is not good. Yes, this is also a good one, Mark. After a pump, a correction of 30 to 50% in alts is normal. Well, make it a little bit more. Make it 80%, okay? Let's go to an example right here. So we had a nice pump in band against Bitcoin, right? Nice pump, and eventually we had a drop from the top till the bottom. Drop of 91%, guys. Imagine if you bought right here. If you bought right here with $100,000, you would have here right $9,000. You would lose 91%. So that is also like never, okay, another advice, never chase the pump, guys. Never chase a pump, always wait for the retracement and buy at a good Fibonacci level, buy after a retracement. But guys, this is what I wanted to do with you. CoinMarketCap.com. Let's have a look. This is gonna be quite fun, guys. How many people we have in the stream right now? We got 214 in the stream. The stream is warming up a little bit, so yeah, everybody make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Let's check if we can get 100 likes, guys. That would be awesome. Then let me go back to the chat. I learned do your own research and technical analysis through on and offline courses. Well, that's really good. I think that is really valuable. It's important in the space to be autodidact, to learn everything by yourself. Right, and also with using mentors, using courses. Everybody do that. Do your own research and trust your guts. Very good advice. I think I learned it's critical to know about stablecoins before entering in the crypto space. Why is that? I'm curious exactly what you mean by that, to be honest. Do your own research. Crazy Jeroen. I'm not that crazy, right? Yeah, get in is easy. Like that is the thing, guys. You know what the thing is? How do I explain this, guys? If you're winning, right? You see your crypto portfolio going up. And you open your blockfolio in the morning on Monday and you're like, wow, today I got like nice profits again. That feeling of winning, you get attached to that feeling of winning. And once we are seeing such a top, something like this, let's go back to the BLX. That's the thing, guys. This insight can definitely help you. So once, like right here, you have the feeling of winning, and then we are seeing the drop. But you don't recognize this as the top because you just see it like, we just get a drop. We eventually will turn around and we will see like a nice rally, right? And we can see that. We also see a bounce. We see a bounce right here, but that is just a retracement of the drop. And you will hold on to that feeling of winning, which eventually will cost you 80% of your portfolio. At some moment, you have to say like, okay, guys, party's over, or you have to have a plan for it. You have to have a plan for it to take profits now and then. Is super important. So guys, what I wanted to do is let's go to 17. Let's go to the crazy bull market right here. Let's just take a random day, right? Let's take a random day. What is it? March. Can I? Oh yeah, let's have a look at this. So guys, basically to explain, this is the way back machine. We can look at CoinMarketCap in 2017, right? So how did this website, which is looking right now like this, how did it look in 2017? And what I want to show you with that is how dynamic this world actually is, the cryptocurrency world. So right here we have first place Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin third place. We got Cardano, Polkadot right here. How did it look right here? So as you can see, we had a different top 10. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, is our first and second place, of course. We got Ripple, third place. Oh, that's also already changing, right? We got Dash, Litecoin, Monero, Ethereum Classic, which, recently quite pumped, right? We got NEM, Augur, MadeSafeCoin, Golem. So if I scroll down, you have already quite some coins we are not seeing right now that much anymore. So the top 10 has changed. Dash is out of the top 10. Is Litecoin out of the... Oh, no, Litecoin is just at number 10, right? Monero out of the top 10. Ethereum Classic out of the top 10. NEM out of the top 10. Augur, MadeSafeCoin out of the top 10. So with this, I just want to show you guys the last bull market looked completely different. And everybody right here thought that this was it. This is going to be it. And as you can see already, like a couple of years later, it completely changed. If we scroll back to the top 20, okay, we have some projects. We do recognize some projects, right? Zcash, Decred is like quite off the hook. Pivx is also not that. Steemit is still there. Dogecoin was number 20. I think the majority right here didn't expect Dogecoin. We got right here first Bloodcoin. I don't even round. Singular DTV, I also haven't heard about that for a long time. Bitcoin, Ador, game credits, BitConnect is gone. Yeah, guys, you know what I mean right here, right? A lot of these tokens are gone. So if you would invest in all of these tokens for the longer term time frame, guys, you would have done really bad. And then some people say like, yeah, but okay, like for example, Dash, it's like 70, 76, 77 US dollar. But if I would buy Dash, wouldn't I have a better return on investment from against Bitcoin? And then I'm saying like, okay, but let's go to Dash in the Bitcoin comparative. Let's have a look at the chart. And then I say, no, you don't do, because look at this. From 2018, we just capitulated in the Bitcoin comparative. We have seen a drop, and I'm not even, we can also take it from there, but I'm not even taking it for there. We have lost 92%. Right now, we even after upon, eventually, in the end, we lost 97%. Right now, we lost 92%. So no, even though this looks like cheap prices, you still was better when you would have been invested in Bitcoin. So that's what I'm trying to tell a lot of people, you know, like, don't marry these projects. These projects come and go. There will always be a better altcoin. And for every one of you who has not been here in the last bull market, it's very hard to imagine that. It's very difficult to imagine that. But this is how it works. And if you can realize that right now on time, it will help you making better decisions. Of course, following this channel will help you making better decisions as well. So make sure to be subscribed to this channel, guys. Make sure to scroll below this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure to follow me over on Twitter, guys. I'm sharing a lot of valuable information over on Twitter. So I will share my Twitter link right here in the live chat. So yeah, that is very important. And for everybody who wants to, get signals and want to get better insights from me, you can consider becoming a member over right here on the blockchaintoday.com, where I'm publishing like all the setups which I'm trading. For example, right here, altcoins in the Bitcoin comparative. I'm posting all these setups right here, so you can have a look at those, the ones that I'm trading. So if you are interested in that, there are limited spots left right now for the discounted price of $69 per month. If you are interested in that, you can go to the blockchaintoday.com. I will share link to my website down below as well. So right now, let me go through the chat a little bit to some tips for everybody. Buy the dips, accumulate coin over dollars. Yes, this is a good tip as well. Does technical analysis even apply to nowadays crypto markets? Yes, definitely. I heard a lot of different opinions about it. Yeah, that's the narrative maybe. Like, don't let... don't become irrational. It's also a good thing. Just stay rational. Of course, technical analysis does work. It really does work. It helped me. It changed my life. Technical analysis literally made me really has changed my life for the better over the past couple of years. Yeah, I noticed. Okay. Okay, guys, so right now, how long we are online, we have like 220 people in the stream, which is really awesome, guys. I had a good time being with you right here live. Right now, I'm going to call it a day. It's 11:15 right here, and I'm going to call it a day. I want to thank you, everybody. I want to thank every single one of you for being here right here with me in this live stream. It was awesome. It was very spontaneous, nice. We had some talks about these bull markets. We will have more talks about this in the future. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your engagement. Thank you for all your likes, guys. I really appreciate it. I think you guys are the best crypto community out there. I really appreciate what we have right here on the channel. And I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today and an awesome weekend ahead. And I will see every single one of you in the next videos.